For this tutorial, we'll use Wikipedia's homepage language dropdown. First, import these classes. Next, locate the element to click. Then create a select object and pass the dropdown web element as parameter. We can select options in the dropdown with three methods. First, by visible text. Use select by visible text method from the select class. This selects the Afrikaans option in the dropdown. The second method is by value attribute. Use select by value method from the select class. This selects the English option in the dropdown. The third method is by index, starting from 0. Use select by index method from the select class. This selects the Arabic option in the dropdown. We can also retrieve the currently selected option. So to locate the selected option, use get first select option method. Then use get text method to get the text of the selected option. This prints the Arabic language. We can also retrieve all options. For this, use a list to store all the drop-down options. Then iterate through the list with a for loop. Then print each option's text with getText method. This prints all the languages. Now you know how to work with drop-downs. Thank you for watching.